So this video is going to be recipe off a box. So, Fulan brand stuffing. They have a turkey broccoli casserole recipe. We're going to see if it lives up to the standard. So, 1 bag of Fulan turkey mix. And according to the recipe, we're going to need a half a cup of milk. Food brand milk. Let's see, about a half cup of milk is about right there. Okay. Add a half a cup of milk in there. What else do we need in here? We also need cream of mushroom soup. Again, Fulan brand. Now this is condensed, which means we're gonna have to add some water to this. Oh well, let's turn it down so you can see what the heck I'm doing. Ooh yeah, look at that. So where the water at? I use filtered water because I don't never trust what's coming out of them pipes. Stir. Try to get all the instant goodies out of there. And then we mix. At this point, I'm going to get a little bit off there too. Okay. Now we're going to mix it all up. Now, it tells the instructions. Now, with me, I tend to go a little overboard with these recipes. I tend to go, because I don't like dry stuff. So, I tend to add a little more liquid to it, which means I'll probably either add some more mushroom soup or some more milk to it. Just because I don't like it the way some of the recipes do it. And now it says add a 10-ounce bag of broccoli. Now, I have a 16-ounce bag of broccoli. I'm just going to do it by feel, or I might just feel jiggy with it and add all of it. Broccoli we're going to add. That feels about like, yeah, that's probably like 12 ounces of broccoli. Now this broccoli is rock hard frozen, so it's gonna settle down once it gets defrosted. And then we need what was this? That 2 cups of turkey. This is turkey that I have cooked, which I call it the debone method, which is basically putting the turkey in an instant pot on high steam, so I can pretty much debone it without having to use any long-term barbaric methods such as hand deboning turkey, which is too tedious. So this is I believe it's like almost 16 ounces of turkey. Now I know somebody's gonna say, "Oh, you put the broccoli in and you touch the turkey with your hands." Well, boo boo, I'm about to put this in the oven, and we're gonna roll with it. I actually had a chick actually send me on a merry-go-round. I kept telling her the reason why I washed my hands so much, and she kept trying to. Oh, good gosh. Anyway. So, I'm going to make sure I don't have any bones in here. You know, I got the strong feeling I might end up adding some more stuff into this. And you know what else I feel like that I need to add? Some celery and some onions. I don't know why, but I have a deep down desire that onions and stuff are missing, and maybe some more stuffing. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this in and cook it for a little bit and see if it's to my liking. If not, I'm adding some more milk, some more stuffing, and some more broccoli to this, and some more cream of mushroom to get it just the way. Add some onions and celery, because onions and celery you can't go wrong with. I mean, let's be real. Let's be for real. Onions go with everything. You put onions on your hot dogs, on your whatever. And celery also works. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. Let it cook. How long did it suggest that we cook this? Doesn't say. Oh, 40 minutes. 10-minute prep, 30-minute cook. Okay, so basically 30 minutes. I'm pretty sure I'm going to make some modifications on this because I already don't like it. So you know I'm going to change it, right? Alright, I'll be back with you guys. Alright, guys and gals. This is what the recipe looks like. So we're just going to try a little bit of this. Grab a little bit of this broccoli. Come on, man. Get it up in this spoon. First thing we're going to do, what we doing cooking with Ron? Sniff test. It smells like stuffing mostly. That's not bad. That's actually not bad at all. A little bit of this broccoli. That's not bad. Not at all. I would have done it differently. The texture, not bad. The broccoli is still crunchy. And of course the turkey is already done. That's not bad at all. That's not bad. But what we're going to do is we're going to do a part 2 to this. And I'm going to do this exact same recipe, but I'm going to add some celery and some onions. I'm thinking about doing the parting of the seeds, which means I'm going to take the dish, and at one part I'll add some cheese, the other one I'll add some breadcrumbs, and the other one I'll just leave as it is, and spread the celery and onions across all of them, and cook it the exact same way. This is not bad at all. This is definitely doable, but I think I can do better than this recipe. But just adding just a little bit extra to it. So I'm waiting for some more turkey to get done so I can make another a batch. And then we're going to do a taste test to find out which one is better. I'll be back with you guys. Don't you go nowhere, okay?